Jigsaw Silent Killer, the Silent Killer, whichever suits you today. Now today I'm bringing you a video, not an unboxing. I was planning on doing an unboxing, but you know, I just had to see it with my eyes because I was so excited to get it. But this is how the box art looks like on the front. There'd be a little trial for the 4 buttons. And this is what it looks like on the back. Black Widow, the Razer Black Widow Ultimate Gaming Keyboard. So this is kind of how it looks in case you see it in a store and you're like, oh, that's an amazing keyboard. So, as you can see, let me X out of everything. Okay, so here's a sound test. So if you want to do the wasted type stuff, it's kind of the sound you're going to hear all night. This is what I really wanted to show you. So to activate this awesomeness, see this FN on the bottom, right there, you'll hold that down, and F12 is to turn it higher, and F11 is to turn it lower. Now I'm going to come into my room, turn my light off, so it's completely black. I'm sorry that you can't see right now, but you're going to see the awesomeness. So this, and then, where is it? It's right here. Now the more times you press it, the more it lights up. So, there you go, people. That's how it'll look like in the dark. There's your games, Modern Warfare 3, subscribe. But yeah, guys, I would definitely recommend this keyboard. It is a little pricey though, $120 or $40. So, to turn it down, FN. Here's the turn up, F12, then F11. Wait a minute. Yeah, F11. You have to press it as many times as you turn it on, so you know. But thank you guys for watching this video. I would definitely recommend this keyboard. It has a, let me turn the lights back on. It has a nice matte finish, so there will be no finger stains. I've seen videos of the previous ones, and it's like a different type of material instead of this. It'll do all finger stains, but this is a little different material. The logo that might get finger stains and scratches on it, but this around up here, you know, that was kind of a sound test I was giving you right now. Really loud, but yeah, to turn it off, just this and 11, tap over and over. So thank you guys for watching this video. Oh, let me show you guys first the stuff that it comes. Wait a minute. Where's the stuff? Alright. So, first of all these little pamphlets, how to set it up, blah blah blah, not too much trouble. And some stickers. So, that's basically it. Don't forget to like and favorite this video for this keyboard if you guys like it. If you really like this, give it a thumbs up, favorite, and subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys are looking forward to play some like Call of Duty. If you guys are Xbox gamers, add me right here. The Silent Kill. Subscribe, please. Thank you guys for watching this once again. I'll talk to you guys later.